This is Duke University.
Hi, my name is Fei Gao. I am a senior at Duke studying International Comparative Studies and Asian and Middle Eastern Studies with a minor in Cultural Anthropology. This summer I did independent research on the labor activism scene in China, and with funding from the Duke Human Rights Center and some other departments, I traveled to 6 cities throughout China, starting in Hong Kong and going up north to Guangzhou, and then later to Ningbo, up to Beijing, etc. And so what I mainly did was talk to activists and professors or journalists who are involved in labor activism in China to learn more about what is happening on the ground. This is an important issue both for China and for the world, because China is the leading export country in the world right now, and it's like a huge economic power, and so this is an issue that's important, and we should really this is an issue that's important, and there has been a lot of reports regarding the labor environment in the factories in China. Specifically, what drew my attention the first time is back in 2011, when there were a series of suicides in Foxconn factories, which is the main supplier for a lot of electronics giants such as Apple, Dell. And so specifically I went to look to learn more about what has been happening in the past few years, and what are some of the changes that took place. And so this research is part of my senior thesis, which is still in the process of being written right now. But so far, what I have discovered is that there is a second generation of migrant workers in the factories who are better educated than their parents, who are more aware of their rights, and they are using technology to get more information about their rights and get more information about the labor laws in China, and to connect with NGO workers to fight for their own rights and to really get paid for what they've worked for. And so my senior thesis is mainly looking at how technology plays a role in advocating for these workers' rights.
Produced by Duke University, online at duke.edu.